Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Telegram not sending verification code. If you're trying to log into Telegram and you're unable to receive a verification code, then there might be different reasons why the issue might have occurred. First of all, you want to make sure to ensure a stable connections. A weak or unstable network can prevent the code from reaching it to you. And likewise, you also want to make sure that the SIM is activated or it is active. And the other thing you also want to make sure to check is your information. So if the phone number that you provided is incorrect or that you've not provided the code, that could be one of the reasons. Or else what you could also do is you could also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or maybe refresh your network connection. That could be able to help. And in many cases it could always be with the incorrect information, so you want to make sure to double check that out. And for some reason, if you've tried it too many times and due to some suspicious activity or considering it as a suspicious activity, the Telegram might have secured your account, which is why you're not able to receive the verification code. So you might want to try it later or maybe after a couple of hours. That could be able to fix. So these are some of the ways to fix Telegram not sending verification code. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.